So, end of the first day at Groundswell, what a day. Do you know, for the first time since I've been doing this job, I've actually had a palpable sense of this industry coming together around a common vision. I'm really inspired by that. There's been this kind of coalescence of the industry. What does regenerative practices in agriculture really mean? And what it means is doing the right thing for your farm. And it means that one size doesn't fit all, and doing the right thing leads to business resilience, as well as all those great ecosystem services like healthy soils and clean water and biodiversity, clean air. So I'm starting to feel that that strands are starting to come together. And there was a really good session around the role of AI, artificial intelligence. We know that we're knee deep, neck deep in all of this data, but getting those actionable insights has really been the challenge. It needs a lot of complex thinking, computing power. Now we have AI at our disposal. It's putting the power back in the owners of the data. And that's really exciting as well. Really new way of getting those all-important actionable insights. But is the science behind the farming practice? Do you know, I think it probably is, actually. There was a great session run by the Wildlife Trusts looking at all the research that's been done around regenerative agriculture. Lots of data around farmland birds and this whole idea of what measurements you're looking at in Regen Ag. And of 106 studies that they looked at, only 21 had measured yield. So there's a lot of research still needs doing. There was a brilliant session chaired by Henry Dimbleby with George Eustace, former minister, and Justin King, former CEO of Sainsbury's. Can British farming be saved? Well, of course it can. But there was a great discussion sort of reflecting and celebrating on what's been achieved post-war, but also just really understanding that there have been some unintended consequences and what needs to be done for a vision for a healthy future agri-food system and people, and the role of retailers and others in that. I saw my first ever living hemp plants on the NIAB stand. So that was really exciting to see that. Hemp is a great crop in so many ways, but what's wrong with it? It's really difficult to have a market. We don't have the processing infrastructure, we don't have the supply chain. There was a session this morning that if you're going to grow these other crops, which have much to offer on a number of levels, we need the supply chain there to provide that offtake from farmers. Our stand has been busy. We've got lots of follow-up, lots of existing members, lots of potential new members coming. What a day, what a show, what a time.